What's up guys, so I'm basically going to be installing manual control for my fan, or a manual switch. Inline fuse, two 10 gauge wires. I got red and black so you can tell the difference between positive and negative. I'm pretty sure you could just do it with one color if you really wanted to, but that's up to you. You don't have to get this many different wiring accessories. You just need the big terminal ones and the circle one. Yeah, 30 amp fuse, 30 amp relay, there you go. And I got the 4-pin one. And the switch has to be 30 amps as well. And then just so you could see my diagram of how I followed it, basically I just have all the instructions and I just got down what I got. All right guys, so I just finished up. I'm just gonna walk you through what I did. Basically off of this page, just try to see what this is, try to get a screenshot or whatever you would like to do. For me, the Jetta was just a bitch, to be honest. Basically down there's gonna be you want to follow this little thing right here from your bigger fan to where it connects. I just snipped it off. Brown is going to be the ground, and then the black and red one's going to be high power. The black and white is going to be low power. So the brown, the ground, I did it right here. Just make sure you clean it up. For the high power wire, you're going to do it to your, what is this called, the relay? Yeah, you're going to do it to the relay right here. And for your fan, it's going to be number 87. It should say on here, like mine says it on the bottom. You're not going to be able to see, it's kind of dark. For the switch, you're going to have 3 pongs. If you get 2, I'm not too sure how to do it. So one's going to be power, which I did to the positive side of the battery. Load, which is going to be the, I think it's the accessory, which is going to be the relay. And then the ground is going to be ground. So I just did it to the negative side of the battery. What the fuck? Oh, the relay is gonna have a ground as well, so I just kind of double stacked it. And then you also have to get power for the actual relay, but for that you need a fuse in the middle of it. So I put it, I think it's the inlet fuse, I think that's what it's called. I just got it off of everything I got off of O'Reilly's. I just put it right here, and that's pretty much it. I'll show you how it works. Turn it off. That's it. That's about it. I mean, if you have any more, geez, that's bright. If you have any more questions, don't get me wrong, like I'll be more than happy to help you guys if to my power. Like I'm not no like electrician, so I kind of just did this off of YouTube, like off of like 20 different videos, and it was just a lot. And like they were all pretty straightforward, but I didn't know like how to use the relay because it had like different numbers, and I was just like but yeah, the ground is 85, power is 30, so that's gonna be to your positive. 86 is gonna be to your switch. 87 is gonna be for your fan. So I hope that helps. I mean, also in here the fuse is gonna be 30. So this one, if the fuse breaks, this whole thing lights up, and the actual fuse, I got the ones where it lights up as well, so it's gonna be glowing. So if I ever pop my hood and I turn on my ignition, it's gonna be glowing. I'll know my fuse is broken. And yeah, that's about it. I'll definitely try to keep you guys updated once I reroute everything. Right now I'm just tired, I'm going to sleep. So like, comment, subscribe. Oh, I had a crazy weekend, crazy. I hope you enjoy, and see you next time.